Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing Fairy Grace. She is super cute. She is a red rubber clay mounted stamp, and she measures about 3 inches by 2¼ inches. I thought that I would place her into my Misty and stamp her out so you could see just how cute she is. I love how crisp and clear the impression is from a red rubber stamp. So here she is up close, and I think that one of the things that I love most are the little pom-poms on her little snow boots. I do have a sample to share with you. I just stamped her out and colored her in with Copics. I added some glitter to her wings and polka dots to her shirt. And then on the background, I used the snowflakes from the new Snowflake border die set. So that is Fairy Grace. Thank you so much for joining me. For more inspiration, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information about the products I used, I'll have those linked down below for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.